Look how badass that door panel looks. Brian made that. He made it, like, with his own hands. Isn't that cool? He whittled these out of wood and then painted them chrome. Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. I have been in the shop all day, and that video is coming, but you guys are fixing to watch Brian Late at Blackseed Originals and I put together a Holley Sniper EFI setup on one of the nicest 57 Bel-Airs in Northwest Arkansas. Super nice car, all custom, hand-stitched interior that Brian did. That part of this video is right after the install and the start of the EFI system. Y'all, it looks so nice. Brian's ability is top-notch. It's really amazing. So I will let you guys get to that. I will tell you, we're gonna be on Rocky Mountain Race Week next week, so make sure to hit the subscribe button because we're gonna do video. I'm gonna load videos daily, whether they be from my phone or whatever. You're gonna get a video every day of Rocky Mountain Race Week. So, all right, thanks so much. Here we go. All right, guys, you're in luck today. Brian Late and I are working on the 57. We are putting the Holley Sniper kit in. And while he works on the interior, jump over here and show him this real quick. Can't see shit. Yeah, you can see the door panels. Look how nice that looks. And then let's show you in the trunk here. Woo, fancy. All right, we're gonna flip to some time lapse while we do all this work.
Well, just like, anyone in the do it back. These are well. Do something like, no. Oh, bitch. Just gotta, yeah, hit 40. No, the AC is coming back. It's coming back from, I need it back. Come on, got it. It's went up, I'm pick it up. And people take a picture of themselves. I can't believe you guys have 40 on the trailer. Nope, ain't work.
All right, guys, all of the wiring is complete. We have the O2 sensor left to put in. We need to get some hose clamps for that. Everything is done under here except looming these wires back here. And let's show you the inside though. It looks so nice. Look at those door panels. Oh, they look so nice. Carpet, of course, looking good. And then the other side to give you an idea of how everything's gonna look there. Brian's fixing the headliner now, and we're so close. So, end of day 2. Work on it tomorrow. The next day be 3 seconds from now for you guys. So, all right, that's it. Whew, it's sweaty. This is what, day 3 working on this?
Day 3.
Yeah, about hour 6.
Yeah.
We've pushed some time. So. Got the fuel lines all from 5/16 to 3/8 adapted in the back. I had to order those adapters from Amazon, so make sure you order those before you attempt this because O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Tractor Supply, Lowe's, Home Depot, nobody had an adapter to go 3/8 to 5/16. We have the keyed switch just plugged in right now to a key on source, and so we're gonna see what happens. So hit that key, Brian. Let's see if we hear noises. Just don't go all the way. Okay.
Screen's on. Flashing. It's on.
Cool. I just don't hear a fuel pump. I don't hear the fuel pump.
You want this test light? What'd you wire it to?
But for that to be on, it's getting power. Because the panel had never come on before.
Right.
We'll be back. All right, so we have replaced the relay, hoping maybe that's what it is. So hit that key.
Not it.
All right, so we found a leak. It was at the fuel pump. And then as soon as I hit the start wizard on the handheld, then we got fuel pump and all the noises and stuff like that. So make sure you do that before you think you've done something wrong and change relays and all that kind of stuff. Come on. All right, so we have the fuel leak fixed. It was, I had not tightened the piece that goes into the fuel pump tight enough. I mean, I guess you really got it cranked on that thing. So Brian has the fire extinguisher in case some shit goes wrong. Is there a rag around here? Maybe I could, if I needed to suffocate something.
Yeah. It's small.
All right. Turn that.
You want a fire extinguisher too? No,
Yeah.
you good?
Hold on. Okay.
Has something happened in the past where you need a fire extinguisher?
No, but dude, like, I mean, you're fixing to spray fuel everywhere.
All right, you ready? Here we go.
We're ready. Dude, this thing needs motor mount. All right, end of day 3. We've got to find a wire that will connect, that will stay hot while cranking. And get it wired in. So I'm going to do some research and come back tomorrow for day 4 of the install of this.
Look at this. Alright. Dude. You have the fucking door with the okay, now. That looks like it's okay. Yeah, I can do that. It's fine last time. Yeah, I was down the shop. Well, Holley Sniper EFI. 7170, 173. We checked over. And still on the initial start screen, cranking engine to the starting parameter. It should change to syncing, indicating the ECU system darkness stable.
We're going to do 11.9 volts. Come on now. Like it's not saying syncing.
Are we getting power or cranking? Can you tell that?
Yeah, because it's
We're good. Okay.
Yeah. Startup attempt 2, or not attempt. Startup 2. Cool. All right, so Brian's gonna jump in. We're gonna throw it in neutral. We're gonna let it, and then I'm gonna turn the idle mixture down until he says it's at 750 RPMs at idle. In neutral. All right, it only took 4 days and what? 10 hours probably?
Yeah.
Probably 10, something like that, to put that on. And we would have saved probably an hour and a half if we had just read the manual. So do that and all that stuff. So, all right, that'll be the end of this part of the EFI install. Now we're going to get into the upholstery of Brian's. It's looking badass. Let me get some lights set up and I'll show you guys.
I wish I had as much time as the tranny guy.
Right. Is this your first suede headliner, Brian?
Yeah, first sewn.
First sewn?
Yeah, usually
Headliner.
I just pre-buy them or do a hard headliner.
That's cool, man. And again, if you guys didn't see it earlier, look how badass that door panel looks. Brian made that. He made it, like with his own hands. Isn't that cool? He whittled these out of wood and then painted them chrome.
Where's it? Push back. Take them, take them.